Step number 3, connection with the water supply. This is the machine's ice generator, and there's a water tank below the generator. This is for the water inlet, okay? Pure water, RO water. Reversed or mixed water should enter from here. And this is for drinking. We strongly recommend users to use pure water and use pure water only for ice making. So, limb scale will never be formed inside this ice generator. Limb scales will cause a lot of unexpected problems after long time use. So, please use pure water only for ice making, okay? This is very important and essential. This is the machine's water cooling condenser. It's connected with the water cooling tower like that. This one is for water inlet. Water goes in from the bottom of the condenser and water comes out from the top. So this one is for water inlet and this one is for water outlet. There is one water circulation between this water cooling condenser and the cooling tower. And the cooling tower should be located on a higher level than the condenser. So the condenser will never be empty. If you locate the cooling tower on a lower level, you need to add one valve to prevent water goes down. The condenser should always be filled with water inside. Okay, so this is about step number 3, water connection. And you should use only pure water in the condenser to prevent limb scale or calcium inside. If you use tap water, the condenser will be less and less efficient after long time use. And that will cause a lot of unexpected problems. So again, it is very important to use pure water for ice making and use pure water for the condenser. This is very important. This is the water cooling tower. Locate this cooling tower outside of your building because it releases a lot of heat and vapor when it's working. This cooling tower is okay to work with sunlight and rain. So please locate this water cooling tower outside of your building. This is another video for your reference to show the water cooling tower. You can see the cooling tower is located outside of the building and it's located on a higher level than the ice machine, okay? Again, located outside of your building and located on a higher level than the ice machine's condenser.